Hi JEE aspirants, hope your preparations are going well. So the JEE Advanced 2021 registration dates have finally come. It starts today afternoon from 13th of September and will last up to 19th of September. The application fee payment can be done till 20th of September. So I will recommend you to complete all these procedures by today or tomorrow. Avoid trying in the afternoon today because the server will be quite loaded, so you can try from the evening. And the documents required for the registration process are your class 10th passing certificate, your date of birth certificate, and class 12th mark sheet. These three are mandatory. Apart from this, your caste certificate will be required if it applies to you, and your PWD certificate along with your scribe request letter, and any gazette notification showing change of your name if it varies from your class 10 certificate or your date of birth certificate. So finally, for the students who were qualified for JEE Advanced 2020 and couldn't appear in that because of some COVID situations or COVID problems, they can reappear in JEE Advanced 2021 without having to take JEE Mains 2021. So if any students are there, then they can also apply for 2021. The whole process will be separate from the JEE 2021 aspirants. Till then, all the best for your exams, all the best with your preparations, and let nothing stop you from achieving your goal. Thank you.